So this is the workbench. I'll be in here. So I'll be doing a door so I can keep some few things inside this place. We'll be having one socket point here and another socket point here. We already have our piping to bring that. And this is the top of the workbench. So we have enough reinforcement to be able to hold that up. Okay, so we have now connected the sockets for the workbench. So originally we were planning to have two sockets from two parts, that side and this side. No, that side and that side, but now I need on two opposite sides, so if I have to work in this area I can still have a socket to use here. So we're having two sockets which have been conducted into the inside. So here I can use for storage, and with time I will have to put a door here, but for now I just leave it like that. So the storage for the workbench, there will be another socket here, also another storage area for the workbench. So we're having two storage area here and here. That's why I thought I would have storage here, but at least with time we start having a lot of things to keep and all that. You get it, right? So our socket will be connected back to our mains here. We'll be laying the pipe here to take it up. So let's get all connected.